Yes, y'all, this is week 3 of a retwist on some starter locks. This is a quick video, just a 2-minute video. So if you will, please watch until the end. And if you like in this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of more videos to share with you. But yeah, so I decided to do a week 1, week 2, week 3 starter lock journey, and we'll continue to go week by week, and I'll show you his progression as we continue. This is how his hair is looking halfway done, and now it's time to get to the front of his head, and you just want a clean part. So I'm just doing a clean part and making sure that his hair is parted off really well, and I'm just adding some shine and jam to the back of the locks and the front of the locks, and I'm just gonna start twisting there. So yeah, so I just decided to give you this quick update if you were just wondering how the lock journey is going and how his hair is looking. So once it's all twisted up or retwisted, then this is how it's looking with all the clamps on it. And yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I just sprayed some holding spray on his head and had him sit under the dryer. And once it was all dry, it should look something like this. And then yeah, this is the finished result. So if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see y'all guys later, and I also have pictures at the end, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Y'all have a great blessed day.